What's going on, guys? Today we're out here in the snow in Flagstaff, Arizona, where we'll be doing the extreme adventure course out here. So ziplining in the snow. So stay tuned for this video and I hope you guys enjoy. So if you're interested in doing this, there's a $55 cost per adult, and that includes a 2-hour session. We're all strapped up and ready to go, so looking forward to it. Before you start, they have you do these little demos and teach you how to click in, and then they also show you this video to make sure that you know what you're doing. This is a self-guided tour, so they do have people watching you, but there's no one up there. So if that's not something that you feel comfortable with, definitely take that into account. So you do a little quarter-mile walk to get to the zips right before, and you get this supposedly trail that you get to walk on, but there's not much of it because of the snow. I knew I was gonna come in hot. Alright, we've had to climb these stairs like this the whole way down, and it is kind of a long drop, so we're not trying to die. Oh shit! Alright. It's definitely been the longest one that we've done so far. So when you're doing it, you hook the red one first, then the black, and then you finally put this one up here. The view from up here, this is the course number 3. We've got 14, and this is the longest one. So I think we're halfway through this one. been the longest bridge that we're gonna cross, so let's get on it. Apparently for this zip line, nobody has made it to the end so far, so hopefully we're the first, but we'll see.
You're taking my family out, man.
So we only have 2 more remaining and we're very close to the end. It was a lot of fun. So let's just jump into this one right away. Perfect. All right, we have one more and then we just have that final jump, just like the first or the second course. Style point. So this is the store here where they have the gift shop inside, and we were able to buy this little nice patch for $5. So that's our adventure at Flagstaff Extreme Adventure Course. We did the zip lining. Again, it was $55, 4 hours. Depending on how fast your group is going, that might look differently, but such a blast and everyone was super helpful. So yeah, I definitely recommend coming here. So I hope you guys enjoyed and stay tuned for the next videos to come.